this is a dry bath incubator where we put the test tubes here in this. There are 24 holes, 6 plus 4, 24 holes for 12mm tubes. The temperature can be up to 70 degree with the plus minus 0.1 degree accuracy. For checking this Vino, you can press this and set the temperature. This is up to 60 degree. You can increase or decrease it. I can make it 40 degree. I can make it 35 degree if the requirement is 35 degree, right? And then I can go again, press started, temperature sample attains 32 degree. This is very easy to operate, and this blocks. There are different models with us, which has a cooling also, another model or double also. Please visit Abron Exports and send us an email. Thank you very much.